The loyal mongoose. Once there lived a farmer with his wife. They had an infant baby. One day, the farmer found an injured mongoose while returning home from the fields. He told his wife that he would nurse the mongoose to health and keep it as a pet. The wife didn't like the idea but agreed reluctantly. The mongoose recovered soon and played around in the house. The wife kept it away from her infant son. One day, the wife left the sleeping baby with her husband and went out to fetch some groceries. She told him to keep the mongoose away from the child. Meanwhile, the farmer got an urgent call from the field and he left the son with the mongoose. He trusted the mongoose and was sure that his child was safe with him. After some time, the farmer's wife returned with a big grocery basket. She saw the mongoose standing outside the gate with blood on his mouth and paw. Without a second thought, she yelled and smashed the poor animal with a basket full of groceries. She ran inside crying and wailing but was shocked to see her son sleeping peacefully near a dead snake. Now, the reality dawned upon her. She understood that a snake must have come to bite her son, but the mongoose killed the snake to save the baby. The blood stain was that of the snake's. She rushed out to check on the mongoose. The poor loyal mongoose was dead. Moral: we should not jump to conclusions. We should not take decisions in a hurry.